Tiny bubbles in the wine make me feel happy, make me feel fine. Tiny bubbles make me warm all over with a feeling that I'm gonna love you till the end of time.
Here we go.
Tiny bubbles in the wine make me feel happy, make me feel fine. Tiny bubbles make me warm all over with a feeling that I'm gonna love you till the end of time. Tiny bubbles in the wine make me feel happy, make me feel fine. Tiny bubbles make me warm all over with a feeling that I'm gonna love you till the end of time. With a feeling that I'm gonna love you till the end of time. Got a feeling that I'm gonna love you till the end of time. End of time.
Okay, so what's the point? Ha! You mean what's the fucking point? Same thing it was yesterday, just a little bit more. And my Mary wanted to hear some tiny bubbles. So there you go. Now we got tornadic fucking activity. We got crunch all over the fucking place. Nothing new, right? See? Same thing as yesterday. Maybe a little bit more. And we've got induction heating on steroids. So, what should we expect? These helioplots to continue showing harmonic tremors throughout the day occasionally, as we're making and breaking. Not at the risk of sounding like a redundant fucking broken record, you might want to go to Angry Catfish, hit the fucking, first thing you might want to do is check out the About page. Yeah, I fucking cuss. He used to. Hit your oldest, work your way back. You want to know the ancient secrets? You want to know how to read ISWA? You want to know how to predict the quakes like I've been to the minute, to the fucking magnitude, to the exact place on Earth? I show you how to do all these things. I also give you contracts, which is another thing I want to bring up that I haven't in a little bit. Every 4 years, the states will gather to elect a body, the Electoral College, which, as you can see here, is the formal body, which elects the president and vice president of the United States. Now let's cover this just a little bit more. Can the popular vote override Electoral College? No. Does the Electoral College have to vote with the majority? No. Now, I see you in the streets, mass piling each other. I see you in the grocery stores. I see you hanging signs in your fields and in your stores and everything. Trump, Pence, and fucking Biden, etc. Oh, Christ, it must be the mail. See, Patsy's got into it too. She was like, she's giving her voice, but you don't have one. You have no voice in the matter. None whatsoever. None. Zero. Zero voice in the matter. None. Zero. You have no saying in the presidential election. None. Zero. Absolutely zilch. Does the Constitution allow for direct election of the president? The electors shall vote for the president and vice president, respectively, in the manner directed by the Constitution. No, you have no voice. Prove me wrong. Or stop being a fucking idiot playing into this fucking division game. Your red and blue division will be the death of